Hello friends from abroad country. Now I introduce the ventilation for ECP, evaporative cooling pad production line workshop. About the issues of the ventilation of the workshop. As we know, in the cooling pad production workshop, the smell is a big problem. Both for the workshop ventilation and also for the workers' body health. Usually, they apply the exhaustive fan system, and now we add the whole ventilation system, and you can see from the video. The light oxygen combined the waste system for treatment, the ventilation, the workshop. In our cooling pad workshop, almost you cannot smell you cannot smell as you smelled in the traditional workshop for cooling pad production. This is called a light combined with oxygen treatment system. If you buy the cooling pad machinery from us, we can include the ventilation system for your workshop locally.